3 AI side hustles making up to $5,000 per month in 2025. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a recent graduate or just looking to make some extra cash, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 AI side hustles that will help you replace your 9-to-5 job. These strategies are not just effective, they're also scalable and can earn you up to $5,000 a month. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about AI consulting. AI consulting is a fantastic way to leverage your knowledge of AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper. Many local businesses are looking to automate their operations but don't know where to start. You can charge around $500 per week to help them set up these systems. For example, I know a recent grad who helped a local barbershop automate their booking process using ChatGPT. They created a simple chatbot that handles appointments, freeing up the owner's time to focus on customers. You can find templates and resources online to get started quickly. To market your services, consider using platforms like LinkedIn or even local Facebook groups. Share success stories and offer free consultations to attract clients. This is a great way to build your portfolio and establish credibility in the market. Next, let's move on to our second hustle, course creation. Course creation is booming, especially with the rise of online learning. You can use tools like Pictory AI to turn your blogs or expertise into engaging video courses. Imagine teaching a skill you're passionate about, like digital marketing or graphic design. One of my friends is making $3,000 a month by teaching TikTok growth strategies. He records short, informative videos and sells them on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. The best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard. Pictory AI simplifies the video creation process, allowing you to focus on content rather than editing. Plus, you can promote your courses on social media to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to engage with your students to build a loyal community. Finally, let's explore our third hustle, AI art stores. AI art stores are a creative way to monetize your artistic skills using AI tools. You can create and sell AI-generated logos or artwork on platforms like Fiverr. The earning potential is impressive, with prices ranging from $15 to $75 per design, depending on complexity. One graduate I know started selling logos and quickly built a portfolio that attracted more clients. To get started, use AI art generators like DALL-E or Midjourney to create unique designs. Then, set up your Fiverr profile, showcase your best work, and start marketing your services. Remember, the more you promote your designs on social media, the more visibility you'll gain. Want my free AI Hustle Toolkit? Just comment AI 2025 below, and I'll send you resources to kickstart your journey.